Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. My hair looks crazy right now. It is completely dry. I kind of brushed it out a little bit, and it is because we are going to try out a new styling brush. If you guys haven't checked out my video testing the GHD Glide, go ahead and check it out. I will link it down below. That is a video just specifically testing out this tool. It is brand new. It actually came out this month, maybe like 2 weeks ago. This is so new and it is like sold out everywhere. So we are comparing the GHD Glide with the Drybar, the Brush Crush. And this is brand new. I haven't even opened this yet, and I am just so excited to compare the two. I'm gonna do one side with the GHD Glide, and then this side I'm gonna do the Brush Crush. So both are very similar. They are just like brushes that are kind of like straighteners, and they just get your hair straight. So they both heat up. So this one stays in one temperature. As you guys can see, it only has a on button, and then this one can go up to 450 Fahrenheit, so it can get a little bit hotter. So we're just gonna try it out, compare the two, and let's see which one is better or which one is more worth it. They both are around the same price, so $140, and this one is a lot easier to get now because this one just came out and it's like sold out everywhere, and it's not even in the US yet. So that's it's really hard to get the GHD Glide right now. But if you want something similar to that, if this is worth it, if this is good, this was very easy for me to get. I just ordered it from Sephora, and you can get it on their website as well, I believe. So I'm gonna link it down below. Okay, so let's start with the GHD Glide side. So I just like timing things because that way I can see if there's like one that's like a lot faster than the other one, or if they both take like around the same time. So that is what I'm doing right now, just timing it. Last time it took me about 40 minutes to do my hair with the GHD Glide, so hopefully it'll only take me like 20 minutes for one side. Alright guys, so here's what my hair looks like with the GHD Glide. Very shiny, very sleek. Took me about 24 minutes to do this side. I do like this. I think it gives you a really nice shine in your hair. I don't know how it keeps it this shiny, and it looks very sleek. I could probably make this flatter, but we're just gonna move on and use the Drybar, the Brush Crush, and see how this works on the other side of my hair. Okay, so let's open this up. This is my first time opening this, so it's a nice packaging. I love this, like magnetic. Ah, there it is. You can also twist it and it won't tangle. Oh wow, pretty cool. Here it is, yellow. I love the yellow and the gray. It looks so freaking cute. So comparing it to the GHD Glide, they're both about the same size, but I like the oval shape of the GHD Glide because at the ends you can kind of twist it and make a little bit of a wave on your ends. But let's see if maybe with this one we can do something on the ends to make it look less straight. So this one did come like with the US outlet. I don't know if you guys saw my GHD Glide review on my channel. If you haven't watched that video, go check it out. I will link it down below. But I had to get an adapter because I bought it from the UK. So just wanted to point that out. But this one comes already ready to use in the US. So I'm gonna put it up to 365. Oh, it only goes up to 360 and then 370. So I'm just gonna do 370. Yeah, you definitely can't really do a wave on the ends with this, so you're just gonna have to hope that it doesn't come out like too straight looking. But this does get your hair super straight, and I'm not even using it in 450 degrees. Like, I wonder what that is like, because this is doing a great job. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it up to 450, the highest heat. So I just want to see how hot this can get. Let's try this. Oh my god, guys, it got straight with one pass. Like, obviously, like, I'm doing the ends now because I had to like flip the brush, but oh my god, it's like pretty much straight with one pass. That's crazy. I'm gonna do another one to see what happens. So yeah, with like 3 passes, it's like pretty straight. Okay, so here's what it looks like so far. I feel like it will only be fair if I just put it back down to like 370 degrees or 360 or something, because I feel like since the GHD Glide goes up to 365 and that's the only temperature, if I put this one in 450, obviously it's probably going to be way more straight, right? But at the same time, this gives you that option to make it more straight and to take it all the way up to 450 degrees if you want to. But I'm just gonna finish my hair at 370 and let's see how it turns out. Okay, so this is the GHD side. As you can see, very shiny. It does have more volume. I feel like this side has a lot more volume, and then this is the Drybar side. I feel like this side doesn't have as much shine as this side. It depends on like what type of look you're looking for. Like, if you want very sleek hair, then you know, you might be better off with the Drybar because it does leave it, I feel like, more straight. If you want like a little bit more of bounce, this is gonna be your side. Like, this is gonna be what you're gonna like, the GHD Glide, because this definitely gives you more bounce, more volume, and more shine. Like, it gives you a lot more shine. So with the Drybar, it took me a little bit more than 15 minutes. So in total, it took me 38 minutes to do my hair. And I mean, it was faster with this one, but I feel like this one gives you a nicer finish. So sure, this side was faster to do, but I mean, I prefer a nicer look than just a faster look. Like, I like to be fast, and don't get me wrong, I like to be fast, but I want my hair to look nice and healthy also. So as you can see, both sides, the ends don't look that great. I mean, I don't really like how these types of brushes leave my ends. Like, I prefer a round brush 100%, but I do feel like because this is more like an oval shape, this helps a little bit more. Like, for example, let me show you guys. This helps a little bit more to kind of flip the ends. You see what I mean? Like, it gives you more of like a nice little wave. You know what I mean? Since this one is a rectangle, it doesn't really help like shape the ends that much. Like, it kind of just like leaves it like super straight. So let me know in the comments down below which side you like better, if you like the GHD Glide side better or the Drybar Brush Crush side better. And guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And if you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.